Riding my bike like I'm too young to drive. Careless and free like it's 2005. Had to chill the fuck out, take a trip outside to have fun with my friends like I'm young and alive. So can I get your AOL? Hit your line like LOL. This feel like our high school days, running around that football game. We ain't gotta fuck or nothing, we go OLs or something, yeah. I'm gonna miss you, oh well. I hope your summer goes well. But when the night gets late and we're too fucked up, please don't tell your mom, don't wanna mess this up. Cause girl, I think you're fresh and I like those kicks. You been on my mind, running circles round it, so riding my bike like I'm too young to drive. Careless and free like it's 2005. Had to chill the fuck out, take a trip outside to have fun with my friends like I'm young and alive. She my sidekick, so she hit my sidekick. She a vibe, so I got a top 5 it. I peeped your new layout.